Hey, what are you doing?
Oh
Why
my
would you
goodness.
leave her, baby? Why were you asleep?
I was just catching up.
Catching up on what?
I was so tired. I'm the only one that's been
You
working.
gotta pay attention to your
Yeah.
kid. What are you doing?
I'm trying. It's just when I'm babysitting, like it's hard because
Babysitting? It's your kid. You can't do this. Come on, I know
I'm
you're
sorry.
tired.
I'm sorry.
I know,
I'm
it's
sorry.
okay. It's okay. Don't let this happen again.
All right, I won't.
Okay.